This is Oraimo smart folding fan. So you can see for yourself right here, this is foldable. So as you can see right here, yes, this is a smart folding fan from Oraimo, and we are going to talk about it. I have used the device for some time right now, and this is what I have to say about the device. So let's talk about it right now, right here. But first, let me turn it off. So the device comes with 7 blades. Okay, so you can see for yourself right here, the blade right here is 7. Okay, and it comes with 8 wind speed. That means you can increase the speed from 1 to 8. That's the highest is 8, being the turbo speed on the device. Okay, and then with the top right here, it comes with a 90 degrees rotation right here. I mean the neck that you can fold when it comes to, let's say you're traveling and you want to take it along, you need to just fold it and put it in your bag and take it away. So at the back of it right here is where you are going to pull right here, and then you can fold it for yourself, and it's just simple, portable. So one thing about the device is very portable. Anywhere you want to take it along, you can take it along. It comes with inbuilt battery, so you can use it whilst there is no light. We'll get there. Okay, so just like the video for me, and more videos will be coming right here on this platform. We have been unboxing a lot of Oraimo products, and this is another one, and we are going to show you more about the device. So getting to the base, before we get to the base, we have to get to the stem of it, and then you can adjust it to any height that you want. So you can see how tall it is when it comes to putting it in your office or anywhere. Okay, so you can see the height right here is very, very cool. Okay, now getting to the base of the device is a remote, and then at the top of it they have digital controls right here. The digital display right here, where you can see if the device is on, off, the timer and everything. Okay, so let me show you right here by turning it on. Okay, and then let me just give you turbo speed, and let me give you some timer, and you may be able to see it right here. It comes with a digital display for you that you can see what is going on with the device. So that is for the digital display, and also you could see that it comes with remote, and you can also control it right here. Okay, so these are the manual controls, and then also the other one, that's the remote. Okay, so with the base of it, someone would like to ask, how long does it take to charge the device, the usage and everything. I'll be talking about this right here in this video, so make sure you like the video, subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Now, before we go to the Oraimo smart fan speed, okay, it comes with 8 wind speed. That is 7 blade right here, and then the speed is up to 8, and that's the highest. The highest is the turbo. Okay, with using the turbo with the device comes with its own battery, okay, that you can use, or you can put it on charge. I mean, you can use the direct current for the device, or you can use the battery. So it's just 2 ways that you can use the device, but mostly when you put it on charge, whilst you are charging, you can use it at the same time. So that's the 2 ways when it comes with the Oraimo smart folding fan. And charging the device does not take enough time. It's just like 4 hours and the device is fully charged. So by 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, the device is fully charged, and you can unplug it and use it. Now with the usage, it comes with 8 wind speed, as I said already. When you set it to the turbo speed, that's the highest speed of the device, you can get up to 2 hours. That the turbo, that's the highest. You can get it close to 2 hours. So you can get like 1 hour 50 minutes or close to that. Okay, yes, and then you can enjoy that turbo. So the question is, what if you set it to the the medium speed, that is like 4, because the highest is 8. So if you are setting it to 4, you will get close to 3 hours with the device that is off charge. So you are using the battery that the device comes with, and you can get close to 3 hours with the device. It's very good. I would say most devices may not be able to give that battery usage, the speed of it, and then everything. So I would say the battery is good when it comes to the Oraimo smart folding fan. It was okay. So imagine you set it to 1, you can get like 5 hours, or maybe you say more. Okay, so yes, but One thing that I think they should work on is the light right here. It just comes with a simple warm light, so you may not be able to get RGB lights, different lights coming right here. So I think that's something, that's my suggestion. They should, add that. It will be very cool, because some of us really like those RGB lights. So if they are to have that one right at the base of it, just like they have this, it will be very nice. Or if they bring it somewhere different place, it will be very cool. Okay, but hey, this cool, it's okay for now. And the only most important thing that we always look up to is the device to work as it has been promised, and this worked as it has been promised. Okay, it was good, it was great, and everything was very fine. Now with the timer was also working very fine. Looking at the timer, when it sets it to 1 hour, you will get 1 hour, 2 hours. The time that you set, that the time that the device will turn off. So let's say you are sleepy and you want to turn it off within like 3 hours time or 4 hours time, yes, it will turn off automatically without you worrying about anything. Okay, so that's it for the timer. Okay, and then not just that, the device also rotates. So as you can see for yourself right here, let's say you don't sit at one place, or even if you sit at one place, you don't want the fan to be on you, yes, you can enjoy this. Okay, so it will be going round and round and round. That is almost is it 180? Okay, yes, that's 180. So you can get that from the device when it comes to the rotation. Okay, so that is another thing when it comes to the Oraimo smartphone. So you'll be able to enjoy the speed with the rotation, and then you'll be able to get that 2 hours when it comes to the turbo. And then with the medium speed, that's the 4, you'll be also getting the same value. Okay, the same value that you'll be getting. So it was okay with the device. I would say it's cool, it's good, and it's not that heavy. So anyone that wants to take this around, what I need to do is to turn it off, and then you will fold your device and you are good to go. I don't know whether you were hearing me or not because of the fan, but that's it. If in case you heard me, so let me know, what do you want to know about this Oraimo product? I have a lot of products. That's what I'm talking about. What do you want to know about these Oraimo projects or Oraimo smartwatches? Whatever that you want to know about these devices, let it be in the comment section. And then yes, more will become right here on this platform. All I need to do is to just subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Stay alive, and I will see you in another video. Turbo speed. So good. See you again. Stay alive, and bye for now.